Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to transfer money from Clearpay to bank account. So if you want to transfer your money from your Clearpay account to your bank account, basically you cannot do that. So basically, as you can see, I found this article here, and basically you cannot do that. You can only pay and buy stuff using your Clearpay account, but you cannot transfer money from your Clearpay account to your bank account. So basically you only can use in their official in their partner stores. As you can see here, you have different stores. So if you go here, we can basically see different categories. As you can see, they have Timu, they have other stores here depending on the category. So as you can see, you have home and garden, woman, man, kids and baby, shoes, designer, pets, sports and outdoor. And as you can see here, you have different stores, their partners, and you can only use Clearpay to buy on these stores, but you cannot transfer the money from your Clearpay account to your bank account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.